Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now because you're going to be missing out on a whole bunch of new videos by me. And if you're already subscribed, hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup. First, I'm going to start off by prepping my face, so let's do that. I'm going to start off with the Niacinamide by Good Molecules. A key to like the best makeup routine or best makeup look is a hydrated face, and for a hydrated face you need good base products. So I'm just going to be going in with a few serums and moisturizers. Next I'm going to go in with the Good Molecules. This is the hyaluronic acid serum. I've started to wean off of these serums a little bit because I used to use them every day, and I think that can be a little harsh for your skin, so I'm starting to only use them for certain occasions. Next I'm going to go in with the Cetaphil Daily Moisturizer. I'm going to just do one pump of this. My skin may look good on the surface, but when I touch it, it just feels so texturized, and I just need to figure out like what I can do to make the texturized feeling go away. It's more around my T-zone. Next I'm gonna go in with the Cetaphil moisturizer. This is a new product that I tried out today actually. It's by the brand Naked and Thriving, and I'm going to be trying it underneath my makeup. I haven't tried it underneath my makeup yet, but I did try it earlier today, and it's actually really good. And it smells so good, y'all. And this is a rejuvenation oil or rejuvenate oil. And it smells good, and it leaves my skin feeling so soft and moisturized. Also leaves a glowy look, as you can tell. Every day I'm trying to perfect my makeup, so it's like an ongoing cycle. To start off, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is the Niacinamide Primer. I'm actually running out of both of my e.l.f. primers, so I think it's either time to try a new product or re-up on these, but I probably will re-up. While that gets tacky, I'm going to go in with the NYX Brow Glue. This has become an absolute staple in my makeup routine. I honestly don't go anywhere without putting this on, even without makeup. It's like the best drugstore eyebrow glue.
What you mean to me? What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you take me on the regular? Tell me, would you?
And I like to brush it up a little bit and let it get a little tacky as well. And then I go in with a spoolie later on, so I'll do that in just a moment. Now, I did say I'm going to do a full face, but it's going to be a light base, so I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow. This is in medium tan shade 5, if you're wondering. Now, this product is actually so good. When people talk about it on social media and stuff, they mean well, because this is actually a really good product and I stand by it. I'm going to use a dry beauty blender just because I kind of like that more than a wet beauty blender. So I'm blending this out. This Halo Glow, it gives more of like a sheer base, so, or a glowy base, I guess you would say, instead of like a full coverage. I like more of a glowy look instead of a matte and full coverage look. I think I'm going to do a bright under eye look today as well. I'm going to go ahead and contour my face first. I've been starting to do this first so then that the concealer kind of like blends seamlessly and kind of like blends everything together. nicely. I seen this hack on TikTok where you like fold your nose up and you contour right there. So I just did that and we're gonna see how it looks. I'm gonna blend out with a brush. These are BH Cosmetic brushes, if you're wondering. I also want to invest in a new set of brushes. I've seen a lot of good things about Real Techniques, but that's kind of known. And I need to focus more on blending out my makeup better and not trying to rush into it. For the nose contour, I'm going to use this little brush, and this is also BH Cosmetics.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, and you make it my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want.
I forgot all about my eyebrows, so let me fix those up now too.
My love.
I'm thinking about purchasing the Got To Be eyebrow little the Got To Be eyebrow glue stick thing, like that. It's like a mascara wand but for your eyebrows. Before I go into the concealer, I'm gonna go in with the blush, and these blushes and contour is by Wet n Wild, by the way. The contour is in shade 805 and the blush is in shade 803, if you're wondering. I'm definitely trying to branch off of these two products just because I want to see what other products I can work with that will give me the same results but just wear longer.
It's not that I don't want you here.
I'm also blending this out with a brush.
I know that I don't make things clear.
Now it's time for concealer. I'm going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Beige. And this is literally almost done. Like almost. I'm almost out of this product.
I try not to show how I feel about you. Can we survey? Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
I'm kind of second guessing doing a bright under eye look, but we'll see. I'm gonna let this set into my face for a few seconds and then we'll go in and blend it out. Let's blend this out now. Now that that's blended out, I just said I wasn't going to go with a bright under eye, but I think I am. Let's go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Medium Sand now. Let's see.
We can get away. Palm cheese, beach views on a night day.
I'm placing it a little bit lower than my eyes because sometimes it's a little too much. And I'm definitely going to let this sit in for a little bit longer than the last concealer. I'm going to see if I... Blending this out with a brush first just to see how seamless it looks. And I'm kind of taking it on my nose to help it contour it. And then I'm going to go in with the Beauty Blender and kind of clean up. Let's try to recreate the same thing on the other side. pretty good, pretty good. Okay, now it's time to set and bake. So I'm going to go in with the Kimchi Chic banana powder. This is their Puff Puff Pass powder. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Dream Team palette, and I'm going to bronze up my face. Just a little bit. The shade I used is right here, and this is the matte bronzer, by the way. Now let's go in and set and bake. Now I'm gonna attempt to bake. I kind of suck at this, so bear with me. While I'm baking, I don't know if this is... I'm going to go in with this ColourPop blush, and this is in the shade 22L2. Comment down below how long you guys let your bake set, because I never know how long to do this. But I know some people do it for a couple of minutes or so. I guess while I wait, I'll do my lip combo. I'm trying something different, and I tried this the other day and it looked kind of good. I'm going in with this Thrive Cosmetics lip liner, and this is in the shade Devon, I think. And then I have this NK lip pencil in the color Coffee. I think I'm gonna go in with the Coffee lip pencil first. I've actually gotten pretty good at lining my lips, but sometimes I overline a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the Thrive Cosmetics one and kind of follow what I just did already. Looks really pink on the camera. Whoa. I'm just going in with the NK lip gloss. I'm not too sure if I'm filling the lip, but we're gonna stick with it for
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap.
I feel like every time I bake it's very texturized on the skin. Just because I kind of contoured my nose away, I'm going to go in with some bronzer over top on the nose right here in the bridge.
Want you to get up.
Just to bring it
up. Wish you would just focus on me.
And then I'm going to go in with a little bit bronzer on my eyelid.
Baby, can you focus on me?
While we're in this palette, I'm going to use the highlighter as well. And with my finger, I'm going to go in and place it on the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. And on the cupid's bow of my lip. Now it's time to pull the look together. I'm going to go in with the Great Lash Maybelline Mascara. I'm going to have to bring my mirror to me for this one.
Wish you would just focus on me. can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me?
I'm still looking for a new mascara, so drop down some suggestions if you have any. I've tried the Sky High, Colossal, like all Maybelline mascaras basically. I'm not really a high-end brand girl, so keep it drugstore, please. I do want to try the Essence mascara, which I probably will sooner or later if I can find it in stores. I don't know about y'all, but bottom lashes are literally my favorite. This is the most tedious task, and it's hard not to get it on the bottom of your eye. The makeup is now complete. I'm thinking about buying, the only high-end brand product I'm thinking about buying currently is the One Size Setting Spray, because I've heard so many good things about it, and I even went into Sephora and I tried it out and I fell in love with it. So I'm gonna get the travel size one sooner or later, but for now I'm gonna use this ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. It's on its last few drops. I feel like it puts like huge droplets of water on my face, or setting mist on. I pat in all the spots that need to be pat in, and I just let the rest dry. I kind of regret using that now because I feel like it messed it up, but I'm fine. So this is basically the final product of my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, or even better, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!